Everyone, I am Guinevere Nancy Saliba. Together with me is Mr. Edgardo Ramos and Mr. Julie Sayatao. We are here to present our project about housing. So the problem statement here is the lack of electricity in housing projects propose significant challenges to residents, affecting their quality of life, safety, and economic opportunities. opportunities. Insufficient lighting in homes and public areas can lead to increased crime rates, reduced productivity, and limited access to essential services.
Development solution. Solar power street lights. Install solar power street lights in public areas providing reliable and sustainable lighting. Community solar programs. Develop community solar programs enabling residents to access clean and energy and reduce their electricity bills.
Anticipated impact. Improvement, improve safety, reduce crime rates, and improve visibility in public areas. 2. Increase productivity. Better lighting enables residents to work, study, and engage in economic activities, improving their socioeconomic status. Enhance quality of life. A- Access to reliable lighting, improve overall well-being, health, and living standard. Implementation plan. Needs assessment. Conduct a true needs assessment to identify priority areas and resident needs. Stakeholders engagement. Engage with resident, local authorities, and stakeholders